best things about the 5-cylinder engine in the RS3 and TTRS is the sound. This little 5-cylinder is basically half of the V10 that's found in the Audi R8. To maximize the sound in this car, one of the things I really wanted to do was replace the factory midpipes with Catless Midpipes from Unitronic and replace the factory sport exhaust with something a little bit more aggressive, while still keeping the valve control. A lot of Audi groups online said 485 Designs out of Colorado was the best way to go for a valved exhaust system for the TTRS and RS3. They used a single 3.5-inch pipe, which helps reduce back pressure, which is really nice if you're trying to make more power. The thing I really like about this system is it uses two truly separate exhaust paths. One with dedicated mufflers, and the other just runs straight through the resonator and out the back. Another thing I really like about this exhaust is it reuses Audi's factory valve motors. So you can change the drive modes on the car to open and close the valves, or just use the dedicated exhaust flap button in the center console. 485 Designs offers two versions of this exhaust, a titanium and a stainless. I didn't really care too much for titanium, and I like the price tag on the stainless a lot better. They also have an option for a resonated midpipe, and that was a must for me just because I think it would be way too loud otherwise. The installation of the exhaust was super simple. It connects right up to the factory midpipes, or in my case, the aftermarket Unitronic midpipes. The most difficult part of this installation was transferring the OEM valve motors to the 485 Designs exhaust. It uses new springs to control the exhaust flaps, which have to be oriented in a pretty particular way to function properly. Once you get that right though, it just screws in and bolts right up. Before we take a minute to savor the glorious 5-cylinder noises, I want to acknowledge that the stock exhaust on this car is pretty good. I don't think there's a huge difference between the valves closed and valve open modes, but for a stock exhaust, the tone is pretty sporty. There are a lot of really high horsepower RS3s and TTs that utilize the factory sport exhaust. They just use a less restrictive downpipe, and they can make a ton of power with even an upgraded turbo. But for me, the exhaust sound is everything, and let's just say I'm really happy I went with this exhaust.